Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to redeem your Domino's gift card on your computer online. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more. Now to redeem your Domino's gift card online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in dominos.com like this and enter. And on the first site, you will be first required to choose your area. For me, let's go with the code in. And after you land on this page, which is the home page of Domino's, you can see there is the gift card option available on the top of the screen. Click on that gift card, and over here let's let the page load first. You can see there is the gift card code option available over here. Click on that gift card option before the page loads, or you can do anything. Okay, after clicking on gift card, you will be redirected to this page where you'll be required to enter your card number, your card pin, and your mobile number over here. And after that, click on over here to verify you're not a robot, and click on get on OTP. And after you receive the OTP, on the next step you will be required to enter the OTP on the site of Domino's on the next step, and then your Domino's pizza gift card will be redeemed. And there guys, this is how you redeem your Domino's gift card. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.